Wow, we're back in Boracay after so many years. I'd say, in my own opinion, the world's best beach. That's Boracay. Tara, let's start a staycation adventure in one of the hotels here in Boracay. Tara na mga ka-fam! PM na, mag-check-in na tayo.
Papasit na lang po namin kayo sa CP Perfect.
May iniwan kaming bag. Baso sa atin. Thank you so much. My welcome drink. Umuulan ba dito dati? Umuulan mga ilang kana...
Minsan na po. Pero sa araw-araw, masama yung panahon.
Kasi room tour mo kami kuya ha. Kasi pinablog ko tong mga bawat stay ko sa hotel eh. Ayun sana to. First kayo sa Boracay.
Ako sir.
Ito kami. 418. Ay walang bintana. So ito na TV na agad. Okay. Ito yung toiletries. Yung water pa.
Ako sir, complimentary po sir.
I-refill lang namin to saan? Doon lang sa...
Everyday ko po, complimentary po sir. Yung COVID po, pag wala na po, pwede lang kayo matignan.
Tapos magpa-room cleaning kami, tatawag pa kami.
Dial zero po.
Dial zero.
Pwede naman mag-door send po.
Para to change. Yung
Ito sir,
towel.
pag wala na po, pwede naman.
Yung towel namin, paligo.
Ito po.
Ayun na.
Pero iba naman yung beach towel po doon sa labas po.
Okay, so ito na yan. May bidet. May bidet ito, no? May bidet. Hot and cold shower. Ayan na, very straightforward lang. And of course, ito yung... Yan. May hangeran. Sige. Dalawa yan?
Isa lang po sir. Pwede yung isa ka-request ng isa po. Deposit 500, refundable or check out po.
Okay, sige. Deposit daw, refundable daw. Request ng isang card. Okay, ito lang. Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back to my channel, You Are Josonified. This is exciting because we are in Boracay Island and this is my first time to vlog one of the resorts here in Boracay, and we're gonna vlog that and explore this hotel, and I'm sure hopefully we'll enjoy here. our stay here in Piccolo Hotel. Stay tuned, keep on watching. Mga ka-fab, yung TV nila is Smart TV. Just to let you know. And they have a manual aircon. Pwede na ko sa remote ito, pero this is a manual aircon. Ang socket is sa ilalim. Yan. Sa bedside table, meron din sa ilalim. Labas muna tayo mga ka-fab. It's past 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Tara. It's past 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Baba muna tayo and explore nearby restaurants, interesting places here at Piccolo Hotel. Guys, meron namang elevator ha, but I decided to use the stairs. Healthy for the heart. Ground floor na tayo. Ayan, may indoor swimming pool sila. Maliit lang naman. Ang harap pala nito is, ano yan? Guilius Boracay. And that's the Piccolo Hotel. And of course, ito na, lakad na tayo. Diretso lang. Papunta tayo sa beach side. Konting lakad lang naman siguro mga 3 minutes? 2 minutes? Lakad-lakad until we reach the shore. Ang tagal ko rin hindi nakabalik sa Boracay ha. It's been a while. So yun nga, napagod na kami kanina kasi alam mo na umaga yung bus ride natin from Tagbak to Katiklan. Napagod tayo, nagpahinga muna tayo, tapos eto na nga, lumabas na nga tayo para masilayan tong ganda and world class crystal white fine sands of Boracay. Ready na ba mga ka-fab? Ito na siya. Sending Boracay. It never fades. It never goes away. Ang ganda pa rin niya. Guys, ang lalabasan mo talaga is the chicken inasal bacolod. Tapos just where the ano pa ba? Yan, yung red coconut. And ayun yung fiego. Ayan. Ganda, 'di ba? Ayan, nakuha pa natin, but we'll have another shot of this tomorrow, yung sunset. I think the beautiful sunset in the world. Namasen, Samurai Japanese. And here we go. The star of the day, of the night, of the Boracay Island. My true friend and my colleague, ang nagbabalik, the Multimedia Store.
Para papunta na kay Chris Aquino.
Hello, nice to meet you. I love you so much. I miss you so much. Of course, follow nyo sa Fat Louie, the Queen of Boracay.
Whenever you guys ready, let me know.
The next day. Much later.
Ang sarap ng lakad natin sa coastal ng Boracay. Ano dyan na, gutom tayo. A la carte ka mo na. Wala ka mo ka buffet.
Lang po siya.
So plated sila dito. Kahit maraming guests, sana buffet na lang. Anyway, love naman natin yung plated. Ano ako tayo? Sweet garlic longganisa.
But sweet or garlic po siya?
Oh, yeah.
Ano po doon?
Aramili.
Apo.
Sweet.
Sweet lang din.
Dahil sweet ako today.
Ano dito ng egg po? Scrambled, sunny side up, pwede naman sa boiled egg po.
Sunny side up.
Sunny side up. Garlic rice po or plain rice?
Garlic.
Garlic. How How about the drinks po? What do you want?
Anong choices?
Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or fruit juice po, the flavors, lychee, and calamansi.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. How about you, sir?
Ito lang yung choices.
Which one? Candy.
Salamat.
Kunin ka lang po. Thank you po.
Miss, pwede na kami magpa-clean ng room for 1.8. Thank you. Ipapaline up na daw nila yung pag-clean ng room namin. Hindi to kasama ha. This is separate. Ito hot choco to. In-order ko ng choco. Eto na po. Akin po yun. Ay, ang liit lang pala ng serving nyo. Ang sabi ka malaki serving dito. Isang itlog lang talaga.
A few moments later.
Yan, ina-room cleaning na ni Kuya ang kwarto namin. There you go. Thank you. Ayan na, malinis na yung room. Fresh and very tidy and neat. Thank you.
Much later. The following day.
Thank you so much, Piccolo Hotel, here in Boracay, Station 2, near D Mall. Ayan, kahit papano inaayos po namin yung room namin pag umalis kami. 'Di ba? Para hindi na kaya sa mag-aayos ng room o sa susunod na magagamit din ito. Yan yung swimming pool nila, guys. At ito yung isa pang pool nila. And meron silang bar dito. And makikita ka dito parang ano tawag to? There you go. Flavor the moment. That's Potato Corner. Wait lang mga ka-fab before tayo mag-check out. Pakita ko muna yung 5th floor, yung gym area nila. Ayan. 5-story lang naman tong Piccolo Hotel na to. Umakyat tayo ulit at 5th floor just to show you their gym area. Baka dito. Wala naman. So this is the 5th floor, guys. So para may mga exclusive area na to. Hanapin natin yung gym area na. So may mga units pa pala dito. Where are you? Gym area. Wala. Parang puro na to yata mga rented rooms. Ayun, nahanap din natin. My gosh. Kung ano-ano yung binubuksan nating mga door. Baka mapagkamalan pa tayo intruder dito. So, dito yung gym. Para makita lang talaga. Dito na. So, fitness center. Yan, okay. So, quick tour. Basic lang naman. May treadmill at least. And some basic equipments, dumbbells, and all of that. Alright! Medyo maulan today sa Boracay, guys. Ito na, totong checkout na talaga. Walang tao. Walang tao, guys. Ayun, checking out na po. So, room checking daw muna bago tayo makapag-check out. Matagal yung checking nila, guys. Okay na? Finally, after 48 years. Ayan, nakapag-check out na tayo. Na-clear na yung room. Nako, ewan ko na lang. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much mga ka-fab for watching and for your support always. And don't forget to always embrace your life beautifully and fabulously. Saying goodbye to the Piccolo Hotel of Boracay, Philippines. See you in my next hotel staycation adventure.